To change the reduction gear oil, you're gonna have to start by removing the splash guard in the front of the car. There's a couple of clips, just remove everything you can, and some of them will break. Hopefully you won't have to change many of them. This one's a 10mm bolt. Next step is to remove the fill plug from the transaxle, and then you'll be able to remove the drain plug. The fill plug is at the top and the drain plug is at the bottom.
That's good. It's rusty. Everything's rusty on a 10-year-old car in Canada. You know what? Let's bring the pan. A little bit. Wow. Just a little bit of metal. Not too much. Color is kind of gray. It's not quite black, but it's brown. Let's say brown. Yeah, brownish gray. Oh yeah. Okay, now a little bit more. Oh. Alright, let's be ready. Oh, it's not bad. Okay. And it's gone.
The two plugs have magnets, and it's important to wipe them with a towel. Replace the crush washers on each plugs. Now it's time to install the bottom drain plug, but for now let's leave our fill hole open to put some fresh fluid in. I just used the tube at the end of a long funnel.
Down. Right. Funnel.
Put the tube in the open fill hole. Now lower your car and make sure that the transaxle is level.
Oops.
You're going to need 2 liters of Matic S transmission fluid. The first liter should fit in completely. Then at some point, while filling the second liter, you should start seeing the fluid drip down the fill hole. When it starts dripping down the fill hole, that means the transmission is full.
Oh. Is it leaking? I think it's leaking. Yep. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's overflowing. That means it's full. Cool.
It's time now to reinstall the fill plug and to torque down both plugs to 25 foot-pound.
Plug. Cool. It's working.
I just used some brake cleaner to see if it's leaking in the future. As you can see here, the new fluid is red and the old fluid is brown.
Yeah, it's different.
Alright, that's the end. All you need to do now is to reinstall the splash guards. I'll leave you with the service manual pages.